Namaste from Kaivalyadham. It's been almost 45 days since we have started, and a lot of people have taken advantage to come to the pristine environment of Kaivalyadham for health and well-being.
This whole week at Kaivalyadham has been fantastic, very safe in terms of COVID. The yoga meditation was the best part of it for me, and the treatments were also absolutely fantastic, and I feel rejuvenated, and I've had a great 1 week experience over here.
I am Manoj Gohad, a government officer from Mumbai. At the age of 50, I understood the importance of yoga and pranayama. I chose Kaivalyadham Institute Lonavala for learning the basic techniques of yoga and pranayama. This institute is really a boon which teaches the sacred and spiritual aspects of life in most scientific manner.
I just made up my mind a week before, they opened up again post the lockdown. I feel at home here. It's a beautiful place to be in. Just as soon as I entered this gate of Kaivalyadham, I started feeling the positivity around me. I was skeptical about how the arrangements would be post-COVID and post the lockdown came out. But everything has been in place. The rooms are spick and span. It's really changed my perception about everything.
I've come to Ayurveda Panchkarma. I did the Ayurveda Panchkarma program over here, and this is the first time I've come here. Even though we came at a time when there's such difficulties outside in times of COVID, they took very good care of us. It was very well organized, and the food was very simple, homemade, and the simplest food was made very, very well.
Pranam, my name is Dr. Neeta and I'm from Delhi. I've come all the way here in the COVID situation because the calling was so strong to come to Kaivalyadham. And I'm essentially a Kriya Yogi and I wanted to go deeper into the texts, and I really couldn't think of a better place to come. So the 1 week that I have been here has really been a very, very powerful experience. It's allowed me to go deeper into my practice. It's allowed me to become more aware of myself, my surroundings. It's a pristine place. You see little kingfishers, swimming by the little pond that they have. And the staff is absolutely amazing. Everybody is so helpful, and the wealth of knowledge that you get in this place is amazing. And if you're looking for yoga, going deeper into your practice, naturopathy, Ayurveda, or pretty much anything that holistic health, comes under holistic health, this is the place to be.
Hey, I'm Karthik Kesarkar. I'm from Mumbai. I'm a leadership consultant who works out of Mumbai. And this is my first visit to Kaivalyadham for the Panchkarma program. I've been visiting Kaivalyadham for many years now, but this is the first time that I'm doing the Panchkarma program out here. I think the place is absolutely brilliant and really energizes you. Just the calmness and the serenity of the place actually energizes you so much that you're really ready for any challenge that you face. It's a pity I have to go back to Bombay, but yeah, I would love to come back as often as I can.
I wish to have more of you come here and take advantage of this environment of yoga in the Tapobhumi of Swami Kaivalyadham. Looking forward to see you. Thank you.